I was asked to come up with 5 noises that you shouldn't ignore on your car. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. First on the list, you might hear a high-pitched whine coming from your engine area, and you'll hear that mostly it'll get louder in the morning. Sometimes it'll even completely go away as the day warms up, but it will be relative to the speed the engine's running, and it won't be relative to the speed that the car's driving down the road. That typically is going to be a bearing for one of the pulleys on the front of the engine. And if that fails completely, then what's going to happen is you're going to throw the belt and you're going to be stranded on the side of the road. Number 2 is a very similar noise. Going to be kind of the same circumstances, almost the same noise, high pitch, but you're going to hear it through your radio speakers. And if you hear that, that's typically going to be a diode in the alternator. And if that's out, it could drain your battery. Once again, car's not going to start, going to leave you stranded. Next on our list is now it's not relative to the engine speed, but it's relative to how fast the car's moving down the road. And it's going to be more of a growl. If you've heard vehicles like trucks with very heavy tread, mud and snow type tires, the growl that they make, if your car starts making that kind of a growl, and it's relative to how fast you're moving, and the intensity goes up the faster you go, and sometimes if you change lanes or you go around a curve, the noise will change in intensity. That's going to be a wheel bearing most likely. And that's something obviously that we don't want to let go, because that can become a safety issue. Next on our list, very high-pitched squeal. Could be back, could be front, but it's going to a lot of times be like in parking lot speeds. You might only hear it when you're backing up as opposed to going forward, and it will likely change when you apply the brakes. That's a wear indicator that's put on the brakes to tell you that your brakes are pretty much wore out, and you might be able to save the rotors if you go ahead and take care of that quickly. Next, if we're applying our brakes and we hear a terrible grinding sound, like almost like maybe pebbles on concrete or metal to metal, you might even feel it in the pedal. Well, now our brakes are wore out and they are not going to function as well. So that's something you need to get taken care of as well. We obviously don't really want to ignore any noises on the car, but those are the 5 that I chose to kind of highlight today. Now, how do we pinpoint them here? Well, we could use a stethoscope. This is a mechanic stethoscope. We can also use a screwdriver. We can put it on our ear and touch it to a component, and that will help us identify it. And then we have my favorite, which is this is a wafer that we can attach to different parts of the car, and then we can use an oscilloscope and visually see the noise. So I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.